Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this pretty little blue hair color. So this is like a denim blue, pastel blue. I don't know, would you call this pastel? Let me know in the comments down below. But I feel like this color has been like pretty trendy lately. I mean, Kylie just did blue hair for New Year's, and Billie Eilish kind of has blue hair like this sometimes, but I've seen a few people do this kind of blue hair color, so I wanted to try it on myself. And to be honest, I did not think I could pull off blue, but girl, I am feeling this. It is giving me like mermaid vibes. Like I'm here for this blue. So I'm gonna show you how I did it. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you get notified when I post a new video. And without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so this is the wig I'm gonna be coloring today. Don't mind how she looks. This is, I just removed the color from the pastel unicorn hair that was on here. So if you guys want to see that video, I'll link it down below. And now I'm just going to take the Got To Be Glued hairspray and just spray the inside of the lace a little bit. This will help to protect the lace from getting stained blue. You still have to be careful, but it will add some protection. This is the color I'm going to be using today. It's the L'Oreal Colorista in the blue. So I'm just going to go ahead and squirt it into this bowl here. I feel like it does come out looking like a dark blue or a purple almost in the bowl. That's not how it shows up on the hair, so don't be deceived. I'm just going to take this conditioner, you can use any conditioner really, and just dilute it. So I just like to squirt in a little bit at a time and then mix it together just to kind of see how the color looks like after the conditioner. And I felt like that was still pretty dark, so I added a lot more because I wanted it to be kind of like that pastel lighter blue. So I'm just mixing that conditioner in. And then I started to apply it onto the roots. And then I realized I should probably section off the hair first. So I'm just going to section it straight down the middle. So from the front to the back. And then from ear to ear, you're going to section off the hair as well. So you kind of end up with 4 sections, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to clip this one up. And then clip up the other side as well. And then I'm going to go back to that front section and start working through the roots. So you just kind of put some color on and then take a thin section, move it over, and then apply some more color to the roots. So you start with the roots first to make sure you get all the roots covered, and then you can move on to the rest of the hair. So I'm just showing you the 4 sections again in the back. So I did that first one, and now I'm working on the back section here. So I like to start off by coloring the perimeter of the section, and don't forget to do underneath the hair as well. And then once I have that covered, I'll start working my way through the roots. So the same thing we did at the beginning, just separating a thin section, taking some color and applying it to the root. And I'm just going to speed this part up a little bit because it gets pretty repetitive. And the thing to remember with this kind of color is it actually doesn't damage your hair. So you can really take your time with this and make sure you get every little part of your hair. So once I finish the roots, I start working my way through the length of the hair. So just applying it all down the hair and really making sure you have everything covered. So it's good to take small sections when you're doing this too, just to make sure you cover all the hair. And also make sure to like open up the hair. So see how I just did that and the inside wasn't covered. So you really want to make sure you take your time to really work it into all the strands, and you can even comb through the hair if you need to, just so you don't miss anything. So that is with half the hair done, and then I'm going to go do the other half. So this is what it looks like once it's all colored, and I'm just going to wash it and... Alright, and then this is what the hair looks like once it's all dry. So it did come out blue, even though it looks so purple. Like, I do not understand this hair color. I feel like they need the purple like undertones or overtones to make it like this particular blue, but I'm so glad it turned out this blue, and I feel like it's going to look really pretty in like 1 to 2 washes as it fades out. I think it's going to look really nice. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this color in the comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!